Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called The Magic Library at Midnight. At midnight, Mia tiptoed into the library. The books began to glow and whisper secrets. One book opened itself and showed a world of dragons. Another told her about brave children who solved puzzles. Mia listened carefully and learned new lessons. When morning came, the books closed quietly. She realized that stories made her wiser every day. Mia tiptoed into the library when the clock struck 12. The shelves began to rumble, and books fluttered like birds. One book grew legs and danced across the floor. Another flapped open, and out flew tiny paper dragons. A book of fairy tales spun around and released glowing fairies. They giggled as they sprinkled glittering dust on Mia's hair. A history book marched past with toy soldiers saluting her. The science book popped open, showing planets spinning in the air. Mia gasped as the whole library filled with magic and light. She realized every book was a door to a new world. When the first rays of morning touched the windows, the dragons folded back into pages, the fairies into words. The library stood still, quiet as if nothing had happened. Mia hugged her favorite book close to her chest. She whispered, "Every story is alive if you believe." The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot. If you like our stories, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe.